Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 traveler's notebook layout that I titled School is Cool, and I'm using the digital version of the collection I Love School from Echo Park. So I'm starting with the bottom of the page where I'm putting a pattern paper that goes all the way to the bottom and fills the entire bottom part. And I just, for ease, I already divided the paper so that it can go across the two pages that I am working on as a page spread. So that's what I'm doing here. I wasn't so worried about the fact that it wasn't continuous, the pattern wasn't continuous in the center there, as you see. That's because I rather wanted the patterns of the apples to be smaller rather than bigger, so that because it's only a smaller part of the paper, and when the apples are so big, then the pattern doesn't get lost, but there's some, I do prefer to see more of the pattern, is what I'm saying. So then I created these two tags, and they're just, one of them I actually just used one of my tag shapes from one of the templates that I share as freebie on my blog, and then just cropped one of the I think it was one of the cut apart papers, cropped that to it so that I could just turn it into a tag, and then the other tag just came with this collection. And on top of these tags, I can now add the photo. And then the rest of what's going on onto this page are all just embellishment pieces that come with this collection, or die cut pieces that I just created. So these are things with the collection, but the pens that I'm using here, I die cut and then just simply watercolored so that I can add them onto this page. So this is pretty much my page done, except that I also am going to add some more word strips, and I usually share my word strips as freebie on my blog, MistyHilltops.com. I'm not sure by the time that this video goes live whether I have already shared these particular ones as freebie on my blog, but there are a whole bunch of word strips already available based on just various topics and themes. So if you are interested in using extra embellishments on your pages, easy to create, then check out MistyHilltops.com. So what I like about these word strips, they basically become another part of embellishment, but they're really small and they're easy. I just print them on cardstock, cut them apart, and then I'm ready to use them. I can use them on any of my pages there. Obviously, these are school themed, so I would only use them with school themed pages, obviously. So anyway, this is basically my page done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.